Hey, good morning. It's Lorraine Pursell, and I wanted to share with you another insight I got. I'm fresh out of meditation, fresh out of bed, except I did change my shirt and put on a little makeup. I'm not sure it's going to make a lot of difference, but you know what? What if this game was all about how much good we could expand into? How much good we can expand into. There's a scripture in the Bible where I think it was Paul might have said, be not weary in well-doing. Might have been Jesus, I'm not sure. Anyway, it's truth. Be not weary in well-doing. And the church wants to skew that to say, oh no, keep giving, keep giving, keep giving, keep doing, keep... It's like, fuck no. That's not what it means. It means don't be weary in continuing to expand and allow more good in. Like, how much good can we allow in? And I'm just sitting here just pouring my guts out to my guides and my angels, and more and more and more expansion and excitement and bliss is coming up in me. And ideas are just popping, and I'm like, oh my God, now help me implement. Help me bring this down into the physical and not stay up here in the idea and imagining. But that's what I wanted to share with you today. It's like, what if this game wasn't about the suffering of the planet, the suffering of life? I'm up for something different. I don't know about you. I'm really up for something different. And oh my God, this cool air is just wafting in all of my windows right now. This South Carolina beautiful air as I'm watching the sun come up, watching the clouds in the sky. I've opened up all my windows and I've turned on all the fans, and it's just circulating. The energy is just circulating in my house, and I just absolutely love and adore it. How much good can you expand into today and tomorrow and the next day? And it's 222 on my timer. Yay! Anyway, I love you. This is my insight for today. Let's expand. Let's get out of the fucking gutter. Let's see how good we can have it. Let's change our mind shift from oh, ain't it awful, to oh my God, how good can I let this be? Just let that ruminate in you. I hope this has inspired you today. For more of my work, go to 3keys2selflove.com. 3keys2selflove.com. Get my free ebook on how I came out of a life of misery and expanded to this. You'll hear my story, and it's going to make you feel really good about you. And whether you're watching this now or later, check out lorrainepursell.com/emotional freedom. lorrainepursell.com/emotional freedom. This coming Saturday, October 26th, 2019, whenever you're watching this, I'm giving a live video broadcasted workshop, 3-hour workshop on the care and feeding of earth angels, empaths, and what I call ultra sensitives, the empowered earth angels who are like, no fucking way, I'm not taking this shit. I am giving my light. I am full of love, but I'm not getting into the gutter. I'm not living in the sewer anymore, the emotional sewer. I'm coming out. It's all about the things that I've learned the last 35 years and have taught women and men all over the world for the last 25 years, and I can't wait to share it with you. Go ahead and register or purchase the workshops later at lorrainepursell.com/emotional freedom. Love you. Sending you the most incredible, wonderful, juicy, expansive day. And connect to your guides. Connect to your guides. Ask them for help. And I love you. See you next time.